My name is Justin Geiger. I'm with Ironclad Excavating. The business of Ironclad is construction, mainly municipality work and residential commercial work, where we do the dirt work for building additions and things of that nature. Well, for Kespry, we would be really limited in the amount of surveys that we'd be able to do because of the time it took. We normally would maybe only do a beginning survey and then a survey at the end, and that's it, and no real production tracking in between.
We used to do hand surveying out through the job site. We don't need to do that anymore. We can do what would take us probably 3/4 of a day in about 20 minutes with Kespry.
The great thing with Kespry is because of its ease and quick, fast use, we're doing multiple surveys now throughout the whole project. So not only are we getting the beginning and ends, we're also getting all the in-between production stuff to see how we're actually doing. On about a 25-acre site, I can drive up on my truck, pull out the drone, get it set up, it flies, comes back and done in about 30 minutes.
You just put in the coordinates and bing, bang, boom.
Yeah.
You got it.
One of our core values at Westside is to make it easy. There was a lot of synergy of what we do every day with our customers to plug in to the Kespry offering just made sense for us.
Our biggest goal is to make everything a little easier, more cost-effective, time-wise, all that with our customers. And it's just simple, easier, a whole lot faster when you use machine control in the Kespry drone.
So Kespry is extremely easy to use. All you have to know is just one point to set up your base station on. You tap out with the photos that you have on the iPad, you tap out what area you want to fly. You just hit start and go and it just flies itself.
My experience as to showing off the drone to customers when we're doing a demo, it's easy to use. It's something, they don't even have to have a drone background or ever fly a drone before, and they're able to go out there and actually get this data themselves, and just seeing their excitement behind it, it does make you feel good that you're giving them a product that they're able to use and to make them a more profitable business.
If there's a big pile and it's really steep, Kespry's 100% going to get that pile. The old school way, we'd have to just measure the base. Someone risks walking all the way to the top of that pile at a steep slope to just get the top of it, and then the software is just going to interpolate that. So if there's different bumps or anything like that, that's not going to be caught. But Kespry's going to catch that 100%. So in a lot of regards, it's actually more accurate than the average survey that you can do.
We've always been known for being very innovative and having the latest technology. I think that's part of why we've been able to be successful over 40 years and still going strong.
I love now how in construction technology is really starting to take off and be embraced, and how every day it seems like there's something new coming out that actually is viable for construction, that does actually work and will make my job easier.